It is day 42 of Gotta Pack 'em All. We're gonna be cracking open some Crown Zenith. This is one of the best Sword and Shield era expansions with an amazing gallery. And since my luck has actually been insane recently, you would know if you watched last stream, I'm hoping we can open some insane cards. And speaking of my stream, I'm working on a little compilation video of all my good pulls from my streams. So make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on that. Galarian Gallery Oricorio. That's pretty good, but let's see what else we got. Just a regular Heliolisk. Looks like the Oricorio is our main hit. I hope you guys like this episode. I'll see you in the next one.